Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to talk about how to add cash to Revolut. So let's get into the video. So if you want to looking to add some cash, do a cash deposit on your Revolut. So what you can do is that before I proceed, so I would like to highlight that this cash deposit feature is only available for selected customers of Revolut who are located within a specific regions like in the US. So if the cash deposit is available to you, then you can actually it will be displayed within the app. So for example, when you open up the app, so hit on the add money option here. So when you hit on the add money option, so as I said, if the cash deposit option is available to you, then it will be displayed within the app when you tap on add money. So what you have to do is simply just tap add money and then change your deposit method to cash. And then what you have to do, tap on the unlock locations near me and select the participating retail location depending on where you are located at. So just select that, and then all you have to do is present your Revolut card and the cash amount that you wish to deposit to your retailer, whoever that you have selected, to your participating retailer. Just show it, present all these to them, and then they will just do it. Then they will just deposit up for you and just collect your receipt once it's done. So that's how you do it. So this only works for some people depending on where you are, and if you have this option to do cash deposit. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.